Good afternoon, guys. We are here in Aldi. Aldi is one of the most affordable shop groceries they have here in Australia. Yeah, yeah, they are very affordable. If you see this pasta, the prices is just around $60. I know 60 cents. If you compare to Woolworth, that may be more than $1. Yeah, and I'm always here to take this one. Yeah, so I have with me this insect killer, pasta, toothpaste, and this. That's it. And every week they have special products like this. Yeah, different things. Sometimes it bulbs or bathtub handle, TV. Yeah, different things. We are going to Kmart to buy the wallet because as I was paying there in Aldi, I noticed that my wallet is very much broken. Yeah. Yeah. So we're going to take the one that I've seen there before. I still didn't get a new heater. Yeah, boiler. Yeah, because I don't want to carry it by with my bike. And because winter is coming, they are now selling again the heater. Yeah, pan heater. I have one of these in the house. If you notice, this just $29, $20. Yeah, it depends, but they are affordable. Yeah, this is the one that is similar to my wallet. This is just $10. Yeah, I have this cappuccino and donut. This is $6. Good morning, guys. It is now 10:15. Yeah, this is the wallet that I have. I have this for around 4 years. This pull-in bear. I bought it from Dubai Mall. The wallet just for the yeah, for the cards. Yeah, no money. Because I'm using my mobile phone for the money. Apple Pay. KFC. Scapati di casa. Yeah, these are some of my pictures, ID pictures I always have in my wallet. There are some coins. It's called USB. If you remember last time, I lost this already while I was biking in coming from work. Yeah. And in the afternoon, there is one guy who surrendered this in my workplace. Yeah, people here are nice. They will make an effort to surrender this. Yeah, that's really good. I also have this the for the mobile phone, for the iPhone, to take out the SIM card, credit card. I don't use much. I use in big items like more than 1,000. Yeah, this is the one that I used to buy the GoPro and the TV, other expensive items. And I always pay, like, the purpose of me having a credit card is to buy big items and then pay it installment to the bank before its due date. Yeah, so yeah, I'm using it wisely. And when I apply for this credit card, once I apply, they gave me $250, as a, what's that? As a reward. So no more. Look at this. But the zipper is still good. Yeah. It's just this one. Yeah, these are some of the bottles that I'm going to put outside for my landlord to keep. Yeah. Here in Australia, people are recycling. There are some, there are recycling station in every center, shopping mall, like that. It is written on the counter that the cafe will open at 1:15. We're going to buy a coffee here. This would be my first time to be in this cafe. And look at this. You know, the Filipino shop before is now part of this Bay Hut cafe. It looks beautiful. Looks really cozy. Beautiful. Nice. And I have this. They have a really nice Bay Hut cafe cup packaging. Beautiful. While I was on the coffee shop, I saw a guy that looks familiar. I think he's the guy that I am seeing in YouTube. He's bike packing Australia, basically traveling with his bike in Australia. Yeah, and I think he's the guy, but I'm not really sure. That's why I come here. I was hoping that to catch him here, but he's gone. Yeah, I wanna do that the same. And this is where we are going to have a coffee. Oh, I feel guilty because I think the people behind me are supposed to come here. This is actually a muffin croissant. I don't know how it happens, but maybe it's a regular muffin. No, regular croissant, and they put in the muffin molder. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm doing my laundry. I just finished the laundry soap, and I have more here to wash. Yeah, that's why I am going to the grocery. It is now exactly 8 o'clock. I also need to get some money from the ATM machine. It is now 8:06, so it is like a 5 minutes drive coming from the house. Less people at the moment. Oh, I forgot, I need to take this out. I will leave that there. Whoa, beautiful. Yeah, we're going to take one of these bok choy. It's $2.50. In the Philippines, I know there's mustasa and pizza, but I don't really remember because when I was very young in our backyards, we are planting mustasa and pizza. I don't know which one is bok choy, and I don't know if the other one is cos lettuce. I don't know. And I'm going to take this rice. This is jasmine rice, 5 kg. It is $12.50. They have ongoing sale with this koala long grain rice. It's $2.50, but it's now $1.80. This is 1 kilo. And another thing is, yeah, like what I've said, laundry soap. This is not that one, but just this one. It's $4.99. They're also going to take this premium original. This is like Skyflex in the Philippines. Change. Yeah, I just withdraw money. Nice. It is possible. Yeah, I always see that, and that's the first time that I tried to withdraw money from the cash register. Amazing. Yeah, all these things, the bok choy, the rice, the laundry soap, it costs $22.49.